You searched for how to buy shares of ATRenew Inc., a company active in the renewable energy sector. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker RERE. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker RERE to find ATRenew Inc. Select the NASDAQ listing that matches the company name to ensure it is the correct stock. On the stock page, you'll see a short company profile and a price chart showing recent movements. Check that the listing shows NASDAQ and ticker RERE to confirm it's the right asset. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to spend, then review the order details and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your new position will appear in your portfolio alongside other holdings. A link to the eToro example used in this guide is available in the description.